In this problem, we're going to solve a triangle given two sides and the angle measure between the two sides. We're going to determine the three remaining parts of the triangle. We're given one angle, angle A is 52 degrees, and we're given two of the sides of the triangle, length 17 and length 19 units. We're going to use the law of cosines to find the third side, A. We'll have A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times the cosine of angle A. And plug in our values, give us 17 squared plus 19 squared minus 2 times 17 times 19 times the cosine of 52 degrees. If we evaluate that, we'll have A squared is equal to 252.064, and take the square root of both sides, using the positive square root since we're dealing with the length of a side, and get that A is 15.88. So our third side is A is 15.88 units. Next, we'll use the law of sines to find the angle B. The law of sines is sine of angle A over the length of side A is equal to the sine of angle B over the length of side B. So we can say the sine of 52 degrees over over 15.88, which is the value we found for A, is equal to the sine of B over 17, which is the length of side B. This gives us the sine of B is equal to 17 over 15.88 times the sine of 52 degrees, which is approximately 0.844. Since side B is not the longest side of the triangle, we know that angle B has to be less than 90 degrees. Therefore, B will equal sine inverse of 0.844, or about 57.56 degrees. The last part is the measure of angle C. Since we know that every triangle has 180 degrees, we were given the measure of one angle, we just found the measure of a second. So our third angle we can get by subtraction. 180 minus 52 minus 57.56 gives us angle C as a measure of 70.44 degrees.